Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to redeem Tango gift card. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in www.tangocard.com. Search for it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Tango. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for send now. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to another interface. From here you'll be able to sign up for Tango. But if you want to redeem your gift card, over here you'll be able to find this option, receive a reward, help me redeem. Simply tap on this option, help me redeem. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, simply scroll down. You'll be able to find various options in order to redeem. Right over here, find the option for redeem a Tango card and tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for redeem here. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply scroll down. Now over here, what you have to do is enter your Tango card number and enter your PIN. Tap on this field, enter your Tango card number. Now simply provide your Tango card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now also enter your PIN. Make sure to enter the correct PIN. Now after you do that, check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now after the verification is done, tap on this option, activate, that you can see on the screen. After that, your gift card will be redeemed. So that is how you redeem Tango gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.